What's up everybody, we're back to the Pro Garden community. Today I joined the one and only John Bell. And then finally the update just started. Please everyone join the server. Look this shit. John Bell! Oh! Who's coming? Get out of my ass! Wait mo na yan! Get off our way, Jen. Okay. Scanning. Thanks, brother. Thank you! Oh, Paldo, sugar! Paldo! Uy, hindi, paldo! Dalawa! Paldo! Ano, Jay? Oh, thank you. Done din. Uy, drop it. No. Paldo. Wala sila magagawa. Masyadong astigo dyan din. Lubos na ang pera ko. Aray ko. Ang astig mo. Jandal. Dandil mo na yan. Jandil. Amay. Yeah, bro, buddy. Good boy, everyone! Ang ganda ng update ngayon, mga boys! So cool! Screenshot tayo sa left. Bang! Yun! Paldo! Go my besties! Shit, na ano to? No. Paldo, master. Right. Oh, ang ganda ng update mga boys. Marami tayo napipili. Aray ka. Aray! Okay. Balag to tayo hirarayo. Uy. There's a raccoon. Ring raccoon. Grabe ya. Kitsuni. Yapiki. Okay, berbalag. Agaw. Next. Aray! Jandil, tulungan mo kami. Aray, ang sakit. Aray ko po. Ang lakas ng kopal. Mga guys, tinatry ko mag-record dito pero ang hirap. Masyadong maraming mga kalaban. Innocent. Lalaki mong innocent. Lugi tayo dito. Aray ko. Too much brain rot. Masyadong maraming brain rot mga tol. Aray, natapon na naman ako. Aray. Ayun, finally. Paldo. Oh, let me, gotta go. I gotta do something about this country. Oh shit. Oh, smart. Oh shit, delicious. Aray! Natatapon lang ako! Guys, tulungan niyo kami. Aray ko! Ang ganda tong update pero lugi. Ang lala! Wala sa guys. Tama na. Message lang. Marami na akong grandmaster. Masyado na akong mayaman dyan. Sugar apple, diba? Ano yung stock nila? Uy, paldo! Mga boys, paldo talaga! This is the world's craziest update ever! Let's go watch over here so we don't die. Oh, this is a fucking Stampede, nigga. This is John Dale. This is Scummy. Scummy? Or Sammy? Oh shit, this update. Get the fuck out of here, black hole. Oh, sheesh. Oh. Sheesh. Let's fix our settings real quick. Let's fix everything. Oh my god. You may have taken away my brain rot. Never. Paldo! Pangko. Ano, di? Pangko na animal na naman. Nakakapaldo tayo ngayon, oh. Uy! Palapit na siya ng palapit! All this girl garden power. Ay, palapit si John Dale. Oh no. Ay, balbalag! It's getting stronger. Ay, balbalag eh. This is getting out of control. Ano mangyayari? Kabasahan. Mwahahaha. Oh, lucky. Legos. There are power of good boy. Bruh. Now you're the boy. Can you say gender and red time? No. Can you that? Look at gender. I got what? Uy, gogo. Binuhat niyo. There's one thing. Oh, yun. Tumatulong na kami. Palto. But also the place. Daya. Where is your army? So, kingdoms are OP. Get ready, kingdoms. Let's fight that. It's the admin war. Scummy. Malik na siya doon. I go. Dahil I'm banning you from poor garden. Agay. What a cool idea. Better. Agi, ginantak nila. Hey, seeds. Ining bad na naman. Yippee! Uy, apat paldo. Giant pinecone. Getting there. Thank you for the new update today. Arigato SMS. Arigato. You're a good boy. Grape. Mango. Ano na to? Ma-overdose ko tong inventory ko. Whoa, there's one hiding dude. No, dude, no, mate, no one gonna hurt me. I hate them now. There's shooting goes on and helping defeat the good boy Sammy. And I will give you 2 golden beans. Panto! Wara ni. Uy! Paldo! Binigyan tayong 2 pet pero hindi ko mahanap ang isa. Ano tong isa? This is a green thingy. Nice pet, I guess. Some is gonna be delayed their admin abuse cutscene by 2 weeks after that. Ago. Aray ko. Ano na mangyari? Tapos na ang update. Thank you for all supporting the game. You're welcome, Jandel. Know about it. Agaw. That was an awesome. Okay, Jandel. Shut up then. Joke lang. I don't wanna shut up, Jandel. The crew is always the crew. Team Jandel ako dito. Anong gagawin ko eh? We will avoid the world. 3 billion na ang natira sa pera ko. Guys, comment down below if you want Grandmaster Sprinklers. This update broke me. 11 Grandmaster. If you want one, I give you away. Just like and subscribe and comment down below your username. Maybe I will pick one of you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. We made history tonight. Not just for gag. Thanks, Jandel. Green. Green bean. Uy, ang ganda! Pick up muna natin to. Testing natin to kung ano to. Punta muna tayo sa garden natin. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Review natin. Every titi sacrifice around the beanstalk fruit in your garden to instantly grow around the plant with. Uy, paldo. Divine Numonaya. It is the most excited time ever for Roblox. Good boy. Bro, I'm lagging so fucking hard right now. Because of the game. Oh my god. The game is lag. So guys, I guess this will be the end of the update. And please like and subscribe. Look at that. Thank you for checking our updates, how playing our game constantly. So guys, see you again next Saturday. Bye bye.